welcome back to another banger video. And in this video, guys,
and today we got this new product from one and only Extreme Online Store. They've been our main sponsor for this whole G80 project, so check them out because they got the best carbon fiber products. Not just carbon fiber, but they have other stuff too. One of you commented if they were real or not because the prices seem too good. Yes, they're real, so check them out.
Oh my dude, guys, I haven't opened this, just so y'all know. This is my first time opening it. This looks so good. I love carbon, y'all. Look at this. Oh, it looks amazing. All right, let's go ahead and take the bumper off because that's gonna be the hardest part for these. And I'm gonna show you how to take the bumper off. If you guys never done this and if you got an M car and you're trying to install these, I'll show you how to do it as well. All right, guys. So we're gonna have to pull that car in to put it on jacks, and I'll have to move this fat bitch out of here. So let's just turn it on. Oh, wrong key. Oh, guys, wrong key. Oh shit, where's my keys at? Now I'm actually panicking. Found it. Nope. It's the fucking BMW again. Hold on, y'all. Finally found the right key. So let's turn it on. I'm gonna give you a quick cold start on that. This thing just sounds amazing.
Alright, so here we got a 10mm socket to remove the bolts.
Start with this one. Loosen it.
Guys, there's 13 10mm screws on this side. You don't have to take this whole mud guard out. You can just take the outer 10mm out and do this, but I just took it out because it's easier. All the tools will be listed in the description.
Where's it stuck on? Oh, that's the one they were talking about. So there's one more right there behind the shock.
This 10mm screw is the hardest one. It's by the shock. You can definitely do it. Just turn the wheel like how I have it.
That's probably the hardest one to get. We're gonna try it without taking the wheels off. I'm sorry you guys can't see. Really happy because we don't have to take the wheels off.
Next is taking these two black 8mm screws out. This is where they're located. They hold the bumper to the car on the top part. This is where they're located. Take them out. It's not that bad, but they're two black ones, not the silver one. And repeat the process on the other side of the car. Finally, you're going to remove the cables, which are located on, this might vary for your car model and what features you have. For me, I just had two connections. First one is the temperature sensor, I believe it is. You just pinch it from the back and pull it out. I'm plugging it back in right here so you guys can see. And I'm going to pinch it and pull it out. Next sensor is on the top part. You're going to need a flathead screwdriver. So you're going to rest it against it, that pin you see right there, and pull it out. And then after you do that, you just wiggle the cable out. Now you're going to remove 10mm screws from the front part of the lip or the bumper. And there's also 3 push pin clips on each side. Next, you're going to remove this weather strip. After that, you're going to remove these 5 push pins from the front where you can see right here. You just use this tool to pop them out. We're going to speed this process up so you guys can see. And right after that, you're going to remove this black piece out of the way. Below this is where you can access the T30-bit screws, which we're going to remove. There's 8 in total, so we're going to do that real quick. Now you're going to pop the bumper out from the sides where it's circled. You're going to pop it out and you're going to rest it on top part of the bumper. Where it's resting, you can put masking tape if you want. I just couldn't find it, so I didn't do it. Next, you're going to pop it from the middle down or towards you, and then you're going to get a friend because you'll need him to hold it. And then from the bottom, you're going to wiggle it and pull it out, which will just pop the bumper right out, as you can see. So the bumper is off. This is how the car looks without the bumper. I'm so bummed that my camera was recording in slow-mo the whole time, and in S&Q mode, it didn't record the audio. But this is where you can see how I have the masking tape afterwards. You can do this prior to removing the bumper. Alright guys, it is the next day. We're gonna take these
inner pieces out. So to get to the air duct, which is right here, you see the honeycomb, we have to take this whole plastic piece off. I have to connect all the parking sensors, etc. We're gonna disconnect it, pop it out. I could literally put this on the wall, like right below those pictures. It would look fire. Now we're gonna flip it over. Slowly. But first thing is I'm gonna pop this parking sensor off. So here we are, pop that out. Okay. Boom. This, you just pull it. 2 hands. Come on, okay. So it's just a clip that just pops in there. So there it is. We're gonna leave it there. Guys, so let's pop this off. The 8mm screws. For me, guys, I only have, on this side, I only see 2. One thing I learned right now when I put the camera down, because it was just bothering me, you have to stick your hand in here, right? When you stick it in there, you pop these clips and keep sticking your hand in further so it start popping out and starts popping these clips. You just use this tool to pop those out. Once you get this side popped off, start moving your hand on this side, and then with your hand, pinch that clip right there, and then pinch this inner clip right here, and it'll start popping it out. So there is an adhesive on here. And then from here, you just take it out right there. Okay. And then it'll just start popping off from there. Boom. There it is. Stock one out. Guys, you can kind of see I've cleaned this area. I cleaned that whole thing in and out. So that's good. I'm gonna put some 3M right here where it was originally. We're gonna heat it up and then we're gonna put that piece on. But first I'm gonna install the air duct, and we're gonna finish this side and then we're gonna move to the left or right side. So let's do that real quick and I'll show you how it looks. Beautiful they look, y'all. But let's pop it in straight forward. Boom. Okay. Just like that. Get the sensor in. Boom. Boom. That side's done. Alright guys, so that's how it looks. That's one side. We still gotta get this side. So we're gonna put that on after. But honeycomb versus air ducts. That looks so much better. And it's carbon. Look at the weave on that. Shout out to Extreme Online Store. They got the best carbon fiber products. That's where I've been getting all my carbon fiber parts, including this lid, the grill. We're gonna get it from them as well. Other stuff you guys see on my M3 that is carbon, it's from them. So make sure you guys check them out. There it is. So that one you just push it up, it just kind of slides in there. Boom. Right here. Just a clip. Okay, just had to use some force on. Boom. Okay, matter of fact, let's pop this out. All right. Boom. Duck, come here. Oh my god, look at it, y'all. Look how pretty it looks. Oh, I could just sleep with it, y'all. Oh my god. I'm gonna put this on because my GoPro's about to die. Alright guys, well that's pretty much it. I got it installed. Let me show you what it looks like because it looks amazing. And I can't wait for the grills to come in because it'll complete the front end. But look how good this bumper looks, y'all. Alright guys, so these were the old crusty honeycomb ones. Now we got the carbon fiber. These are from Extreme Online Store. Once again, check them out. But look how good these look. Their weave is so perfect. It matches. So that's amazing. Same thing over here. God, it looks so good, y'all. Looks amazing. I love it. These are trash. Don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned because next one, we're gonna wait for the grills to come in, install it, and then we're gonna pop the bumper on there. And there's so much more to do, so stay tuned, you guys. I'm gonna build a really clean G80, and we're gonna blow up on YouTube. I'm telling you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.